You're watching Channel 1 and welcome to Romulo's Small Kitchen. Greetings from my home in Romulo here. Today I'll be cooking three recipes. What a heavy task before me. There's a small gathering, so I have to cook this three. But first I'll be making chicken hamonado. It's just chicken marinated in pineapple juice. It's just like ham, it's cured, but instead of, let's say, being cured in salt solution, that is cured or marinated in pineapple juice. And next it will be a Chinese steamed fish and the classic pancit guisado. Now we begin with chicken hamonado. It requires an overnight marinade, and I've done that already last night. The ingredients are chicken thigh. Most recipes you find online will require chicken breasts, but this is better since it has more fat content, and fat gives more flavor to the dish. Salt and pepper, and this basic onion and garlic. Oil is just for frying, we need it tomorrow, but for the marinade, this. And I forgot to place the pineapple juice. This is how I prepared the marinade last night. First I added the onion and the garlic. And combine it with the soya sauce. This is not the Indonesian soya for our listeners or watchers in the Netherlands. This is the Filipino or the Japanese. It's available in the Asian stores. We then add the pineapple juice. This should be an instant, or not instant. It should be a natural pineapple juice, not the concentrate. This one I got it from Albert Heijn. Those of you who are watching in the Netherlands, this one is available at Albert Heijn. 100% natural pineapple juice. Some pepper, ground pepper, freshly ground. And sugar. The amount of these ingredients will be given at the end of the video. The quantities here look much because I'm cooking for 6 people. But when you're cooking just for, let's say, 3 portions, adjust the quantities, and these quantities are what are indicated at the end. Just add the chicken one by one, immerse them totally, and cover and marinate for overnight. So it's time to proceed with the rest of the procedure. We will fry. There are different versions of this recipe. Some just boil it, but this version requires pre-frying after marinating. And it also requires the proper drainage of the chicken so as to minimize the splatter. And I also have a solution for protecting oneself from the splatter. And of course we have to use an apron. I think I'll be spending 3 hours in the kitchen today. Cover it and just wait until it turns brown or golden brown. Turn it and This is the last batch of our preparation. By the way, you will see the proportions of the ingredients at the end of the video. I'm cooking for more than 6 persons, so this is a bit generous, but if you're cooking just for, let's say, 3, you can see the proportions there. Also notice that I've strained the ingredients or the spices from the marinade, and that was the marinade. I'm using this for stir frying, and that's what we're doing now. Better not use this. We should have used the oil we used for frying, but I might as well use the new one. What we do is to stir fry the spices and then add the marinade. Let it boil and evaporate a bit to thicken, and then put them or the chicken into this baking bowl and cook them, the chicken, in the oven. One option would be to just boil it in the pan if you didn't have an oven. Stir fry the ingredients. We know where to put it now. We're cooking 3 dishes today, so it's panic in the kitchen. We'll even stir fry with a frying ladle. Perhaps not. This dish is very popular in the Philippines during Christmas time because ham is the queen of the Noche Buena table. So this, instead of the ham, seasonal Christmas ham, this is an option. It has a taste of the Chinese sweet ham, but since pineapple is abundant in the country, we marinate this in pineapple. Don't forget the name, it's chicken Hamonado. Let me pour the sauce. I think it's thin enough. We don't need to further boil it on top of the burner. Just allow the oven to do its job. The oven has been preheated to 110 degrees centigrade. I'll provide the conversion for the North American viewers in Fahrenheit. So let's just put this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Careful. Little burn here. Give it around 55 minutes.